Yes, I do. Now, back on Stand Up to Cancer 2014, Noel Gallagher made a very important point when he said this.
There is going to come a day where, you know, if it's 1 in 3, how many friends have we got associated between the 3 of us? What, 1,000? 2,000? Scary. But, you know, big up the scientists, man. They're getting there. That's what I say.
So, this year, that's exactly what we're doing. Bigging up the true superheroes of Stand Up to Cancer, the pioneering scientists who search for new ways to beat cancer sooner. Every penny of your donations go to fund their groundbreaking cancer trials. And to tell us about the brilliant work they do with the money you raise, I need someone who knows their onions. Davina may have a hot doctor, but I've got my own little cutie. Say hello to Dr. Sam. Hey, buddy, how you doing? Look at that little face. Now, Dr. Sam, welcome to the show. Now, what qualifies you to be here tonight?
So I work for Cancer Research UK, and we've got so much incredible science, but it's a bit complex. I guess I'm a science translator.
OK, now, who's our first hero, Sam?
So, our first hero, it's 2 of them. It's Professor Richard Wilson and Professor Dan Longley, and they're from Queen's University in Belfast. And what they're doing is they're trying to make cancer cells self-destruct.
Oh, my God, that sounds really dangerous.
Yeah, but it's not. It happens all the time. Like, in our bodies, when the cells get a little bit old, a little bit wobbly, they've got this kind of self-destruct button. They press that button, and the cells self-destruct, and a new one grows and takes its place. It happens all the time.
Oh, OK.
Yeah.
Now, listen, I'm a bit of a moron when it comes to science. In my science lessons, all I could hear was la, la, da, da, da. A little bit like that. So explain about this self-destruct button.
Sure.
What
so,
happens?
basically, something goes wrong, presses the button, it explodes. New cell grows, takes its place. But in cancer, that doesn't happen. Cancer, something goes wrong, it's pressing that button again and again. The signal doesn't get through. And then the cancer cells grow and go out of control, and you get the problems we have.
Well, listen, I see you've brought over some juicy melons, so maybe you can explain to me, because, like I said, I am a moron.
Well, before we get to that, so the first thing is these guys are working as a team. They're working with a company called Medimune, and...
there are other pharmaceuticals, have to say that, legal reasons. See you on Judge Rinder.
And what they're doing is they are doing something amazing. So they are trying to fix this button. They're designing a drug which will fix that broken button and allow the cancer cells to self-destruct. And I've actually got a video to show you
got a video
of this
wicked.
happening.
Show me, love.
So this is provided by Professor Henning Volczak and Dr. Dan Longley. And there you see some bright green cancer cells. They're growing in the lab. They're fighting fit. The drug comes in and it starts to fix that broken wire. And what you'll notice is, one by one, you'll see the cancer cells actually starting to self-destruct before your very eyes. It's so cool. It's extraordinary. It could be game-changing. And I wanted to demonstrate it to you with a slightly different method.
Because I wondered why you got melons here. Now,
well, I'm playing to you, Alan, here. I know what you like, and...
I am a moron.
There we go. So these aren't melons. These are cells. So the first one we're seeing here, this is a healthy human cell. It's got a bit old. It needs to shut down. So what it's going to do, it's going to self-destruct for its own good. And then that happens.
Oh!
That was louder than I thought.
Can costume just get me some new trousers? Thank you.
Right, you'll go next, Alan. This healthy cell, it's got the flu, so you know what it needs to do.
Oh, is it... OK, right, yeah. Oh, my God. And can I just say, never return to an unexploded melon? OK, I've got too many friends to melons. Come on. What's this next one?
Final one. You notice this one looks a bit different. It's a bit misshapen. This is the cancer cell. It's gone wrong. It's pressing that button. Go on, give it a go. But that signal's broken. It's not connected. So what... And if you look... Yeah. The wires are broken.
Yeah.
So what Professor
get rid of it.
and Professor Longley's drug will do is he'll reconnect it. Go on, be brave, be brave. There we go. They're hoping to do this. All right, you'll be OK, big man.
Let's make a daiquiri. Let's make a daiquiri. Thank you. We'll have more from Dr. Sam later. And thank you, Professor Richard Wilson. You are a true superhero of science, and we salute you.